Hi guys, so today we are making okra soup. Yeah, I'm excited. It's been a long time I made okra. So watch this video to the end and see how I made this yummy soup. Okay, first of all, I have to start by getting my ingredients ready. Get the okra sliced properly, and this is beef and stockfish, which I'm going to steam, rather cook for about 10 minutes. And here is my local spicy, that is ogiro bay. Okay, is actually gives the soup a very good aroma. And now I have cooked my beef for some time, and I'm going ahead to add the fresh fish, add seasoning cube, add a little bit more water, salt, cover it and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, now so I'm going to be heating up my red oil, and in that I'm going to be dissolving obono, a tiny pinch of obono. I like the taste of obono in okra, so I'm just adding a very little quantity, very tiny. Dissolve it in hot oil, and after that I will now transfer my proteins and the stock and let the cooking begin. Okay, so now it has started cooking, boiling. I'll now start adding my other ingredients: the red pepper, the dissolved ube, and I also add salt to taste, add onions, give it a stir, cover my pot and allow it to cook. So at this moment I'll cook it for about more 7 to 10 minutes. All right, now it's time to add crayfish, but I noticed the pepper was not, like, it was not really peppering, so I had to add more pepper. I like my okra soups very spicy. All right, so now I've added the crayfish, allow it to cook for another 2 minutes, and it's time to add okra. See how fresh this okra is, man. All right, so I'll give it a stir. At this point I have to put the heat down, lower the heat. Need to cook the okra on a very low heat. Okay, so I give it a stir gently, making sure everything mixed together. At this point I feel like clicking the soup from the pot, honestly. All right, so after I've added and cooked it for more 1 minute, I will now add ugu leaf. Yes, I like just a little quantity of ugu leaf in my okra soup, and I mix it still on a very low heat for another 30 seconds, and my soup is ready. Yes, I don't have to overcook it, because by the time you turn off the heat, the it's still cooking. All right, so I just allow it to cook for another 30 seconds, and my food is ready. Look at this soup, man. Which swallow would you like to eat it with? Eba, apple, fufu, right? Eba is fufu. No, eba is not fufu. Apple is apple that is fufu. Yes. So thank you guys for watching. Please follow my page. If you're not yet following, give this video a like. Drop the swallow you would like to eat this soup with in the comment section. Yes. Thank you for watching. Like this video and share. Yes, like, comment, and share. Bye.